Hello guys, today I am going to teach you how to change the country or location on the Play Store because some apps are not available in every country. Wait, I will show you one example. Open Play Store. Here search for Google Pay. So there is no Google Pay application shows on this result page. That's why I'm making this video. So let's get started. Open the Play Store and search for VPN Melon. In my case, VPN Melon is the best application. Okay, just open it. Now go to the United States, click on that. You select any other country, United States East. Okay, it's connected. Now go back. Open your settings. Go to the application manager. Here select Play Store and click on Force Stop. Again, clear data, clear all data, click on that. Now go back. Again open Play Store. Now it takes some time. Again search for Google Pay. Here is the result, Google Pay application. It's available because I'm using the Play Store from US. That's why it's available. Like this, you can install any application. So that's all for today guys. I hope you like this video and press the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Have a nice day friends. Bye bye.